welcome you to another episode of Biology Practical. So today we're going to learn how to test non-reducing sugar and protein. Now, yesterday I told you that when you're testing for non-reducing sugar, you need to know the reagent and the observation you obtain while testing. Now, the reagent, there are basically three of them, and that is hydrochloric acid, sodium hydroxide, and then bending solution. Now, I want to take you through the procedure that you can follow when testing. So what we're going to do, we shall obtain our food solution in the test tube. Yeah, I told you that when you are measuring a food solution, you must measure 1 cubic centimeter of food solution. Now, after that, you are going to add dilute hydrochloric acid. And of course, the volume is the same, 1 cubic centimeter. That's what I'm doing. Now, after that, you are going to boil. Now, the reason why we are boiling is because we want non-reducing sugar to be broken down to reducing sugar. Now, after boiling, you add equal volume of sodium hydroxide. Now, the reason why you are adding sodium hydroxide is to neutralize the excess hydrochloric acid. Now, after that, you add bending solution and boil again. So let's boil and you see. Cool it a bit. You don't just add sodium hydroxide after boiling. You first cool it a bit for some time. Then, after cooling, we shall now add sodium hydroxide. Now, when you're adding sodium hydroxide, you add equal volume of sodium hydroxide. So, you're going to add also 1 cubic centimeter of sodium hydroxide. So, after that, we are going to now add our bending solution. And boiling. Now you can see the color changed from blue, green, yellow, orange, and is now almost getting brown. So it means that non-reducing sugar has been broken down to reducing sugar. So I told you yesterday that when the color stops at green, that one shows little amount. When it goes yellow, that one shows moderate amount. But when it goes up to orange or brown, that one shows large amount of the food substance. So it means that non-reducing sugar was broken down to large amount of reducing sugar, and therefore non-reducing sugar present. So that was non-reducing sugar. You can see brown. It's brown. So I want us to also test for presence of protein. Now, with protein, we use copper sulfate and sodium hydroxide. So what we're going to do, we shall follow the same procedure by adding food solution into the test tube, and the volume remains the same, 1 cubic centimeter. Then after that, we shall add sodium hydroxide, and then finally we shall add copper sulfate. Now, with the copper sulfate, when you're adding, you add drop by drop. So you also get your test tube. You obtain food sample. After obtaining your food sample, you add sodium hydroxide. The one blue. Now you can see, if protein is present, the food solution will be clear. It will turn colorless, as you can see. It is clear. So after that, you add copper sulfate drop by drop. You add 1 drop, you shake. It is very purple now. Add another one. You shake. Let's shake this one and see. So you can see it is purple. So that one indicates presence that is it for today. For those ones who have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so that you'll be able to get more videos. I wish you a nice time. Bye.